Hey guys, I just wanted to let you all know that I'm doing a collaboration on here with the Zombie Denise. We're doing a Halloween movie review series. It's gonna be 8 episodes, 8 movies, because as of now there are 8 weeks until Halloween, and our last review will be on the week of Halloween. And we're starting it this week. I'm actually about to film my review after I get done with this, but I just wanted to kind of explain it. We're going to do 1 video a week, and we're going to be doing 8 different Halloween movies. I feel like I just keep freaking repeating myself. Now I can't remember the names of every single movie off the top of my head, but I'll put a list in the description bar of all the movies that we're going to do. And basically I'm going to watch the movie. Most of them I've seen before, but I'm going to rewatch them so I have a fresh recollection of everything that happens in the movie. And I'm going to make my video, edit it, and post it. And then she is going to make her video, edit it, and post it, and we're going to make them video responses to each other, so you can watch one review video and then watch whichever other person's video that you didn't watch first. She's an awesome chick, and she's really cool. And if you're a fan of Halloween movies, or just Halloween in general, then I think you will enjoy this series. So stay tuned, subscribe to the Zombie Denise. I'll put her stuff down at the bottom. And subscribe to me if you're not subscribed to me already. Comment, let me know. We're not really taking requests. We just decided on our own what videos we were gonna do. But if there's a video that anybody like really wants us to do, then I'll talk to her about it. But as of now, we're just sticking with the 8. That way we don't have to worry about filming several reviews a week, and we could just do the 1 video a week. And also, the Zombie Denise has this other awesome friend, and you should add him. His screen name is Ghoul Hectic TV, and I'll put his stuff down at the bottom. Funny guy. I love his videos. He's pretty great. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me or the Zombie Denise down below. And I'll go ahead and get started on filming my Halloween review, because that's the first movie we're doing, is Rob Zombie's Halloween. Well, I'll see you guys later, and I hope you look forward to it. Bye-bye.